Guys, ever been stuck in a foreign country with a dead phone and no way to charge it? Or maybe you feel like you have to pack tons of different charging tech for those trips away. Well, today I've got something that might just solve that problem for good. We are diving into the Minix TP 170 Universal Travel Adapter. This little gadget might just be the ultimate travel companion for all your charging needs. It's small, portable, and works with pretty much every device you can think of. So stick around and see if this little gadget is worth the hype. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Minix TP 170 Universal Travel Adapter. Now, if you don't know Minix, well, they make a ton of different tech gear for so many uses, and I have to say, I've reviewed a lot of their products and have never been anything but impressed. So guys, in a nutshell, we have the latest GaN-free technology, 170 watts of beautiful power, USB-C and USB-A ports, and it works in pretty much every country. And you know what? At around £60, this is a great all-in-one travel solution. Now, before we get into it, Minix sent me this 170 watt travel adapter to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. Then we've got the travel adapter itself. And you know what? Although it looks a little bit chunky, it really isn't compared to the other devices that I travel with. It's actually small by comparison. I mean, I usually travel with one of these, and obviously that needs a cable and it needs a power cable, and you also need a country adapter. So yeah, you know what? This is small by comparison. Now, first things first, let's talk about what makes this so special. Well, this Minix TP 170 boasts a whopping 170 watts output. I mean, that is a lot of power for a device this small. This is 200 watts, this is 170 watts, and you know what? I'd rather travel with this than this, because this, like I said, I still need a country adapter. But you know what? What sets this apart is the use of GaN-3 technology. Now, GaN-3 is the latest in the GaN or gallium nitride tech. This allows for better handling of high voltage and frequency in a more efficient, smaller and lighter package, which, you know what, is perfect for travelers who need to pack light but still want powerful charging options. Now, although you could use this as just a regular high power charger at home, it is predominantly aimed at travelers. So one of the coolest features is the 3 sliders on the left side. These let you switch between different plug variations. You just press and slide to release and change the plug configuration, and that's pretty cool. The US plug even doubles as an Australian plug with a simple twist, so you know what? That's pretty neat too. Now let's talk about what this adapter can do. Well, with its 170 watt output, you can charge up to 5 devices at once. I mean, I tested it out with phones, a tablet, a power bank, a portable monitor, and a MacBook Pro. And you know what? It handled everything without breaking a sweat. The multiple USB-A and USB-C ports are also a real lifesaver. You know what? No more fighting over outlets or carrying multiple adapters. You can charge your laptop, camera, phone, whatever, all at the same time. And you know what? You can even plug in your hairdryer should you need one. And thanks to its universal compatibility, it works in pretty much every country. So you know what, guys, if you're tired of carrying multiple charging adapters and chargers and hunting for outlets and all the rest of it, this bad boy is for you. So whether you're at home or abroad, it's definitely an all-in-one solution. And you know what? I'm certainly gonna be lightening my load the next time I travel. So guys, there you have it, the Minix TP 170 Universal Travel Adapter. It's powerful, compact, and incredibly convenient. While it might be a little bit pricier than some options, the value in having an all-in-one is definitely hard to beat. And you know what? If you're looking for the ultimate travel charging solution, this adapter is definitely worth checking out. And guys, at the time of this video going live, as I said, you can grab one of these for around £60. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Minix for sending me this cool travel adapter. I'm trying to get the buttons without looking at them, but you know, they do, you can operate it one-handed. But thank you, as I said, for watching, and thank you to Minix for sending me this cool travel adapter. I'm Dave, we're seeing through a lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.